Look at the hand. Oh, headbutt. Hi.
Oh.
That is so cool.
He's
Look at those
leaving.
guns. There's that tongue. Yeah, that's such a cool picture. Wait, let me freeze it. It's so fun. I can make him my puppet now. That's my newest.
Sorry.
You're fine. This kid, they do something over and over because they find it and then they go, that's cool, let me do that again. And they do it over and over. See?
Ooh.
And so your kid's acting completely why I love this photo. Exactly, like, did not disappoint. Let's go this way. Hi, Booglet. Look at that spine. There's your creepy shot.
So cool.
That was smiling.
That is creepy.
That was smiling alien, though. That wasn't as creepy as usual. That was a smiling alien. Here we go. Let's see if we can get it.